guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Do you want to reset your WordPress back to its default state? Maybe you're repurposing an old website, starting over with a fresh design, or just cleaning up a messy test site. In these cases, resetting your WordPress site might be the best solution. But resetting a site involves removing all existing content like posts, pages, and media, and returning your site settings back to their defaults, just like when you first installed WordPress. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your WordPress content and settings manually or by using a plugin. First is resetting your WordPress site manually. To do this, you'll need to have access to your site files via FTP, as well as database access through your hosting account. Because WordPress stores your content and settings in a database, the easiest way to reset everything is by deleting the database itself. But before making any changes to your database, I strongly recommend making a backup. To know how to back up your WordPress site, go to the link in the description below. Keep in mind, this method is more advanced, and there's no undo button, so make sure you've backed everything up. Once you're done backing up your site, go to your hosting control panel and click on MySQL Databases. From here, identify your WordPress database. If you're not sure which database your site is using, open your hosting control panel, navigate to Files Manager, and then the public_HTML folder. You can find the database name in your site's wp-config.php file under the line that says db_name. Once you identify your database, go back to MySQL Databases. Now, copy and paste its name into a safe location, and then delete it. After deleting your old database, you'll need to create a new one to replace it. You can do this from the same section of your hosting account. Now, create a new database, making sure to give it the same name as the old database. It's time to add your old user to your new database. This is really simple because you already have a user from the original database, so you can go ahead and add that same user to the new database. After deleting and recreating your database, your main content and settings will be gone. However, we still have some old themes, plugins, and uploads. To clean up, you're going to use an FTP client to log in and access your site's file system. In this case, I'm going to use CyberDuck. After connecting your site, go to the public_HTML folder, then navigate to the wp-content folder. From here, you'll see a variety of directories for plugins, themes, uploads, and possibly a few others. Select all of these folders except the themes folder and delete them. We're keeping the themes folder because WordPress needs at least one theme installed. Next, navigate to the themes folder. Choose at least one theme you'd like to keep and delete the rest. Once you've done this, your WordPress site should be back to its clean default state and ready to start from scratch. Once that's done, your WordPress files are clean and your database is reset. The final step is to run the WordPress installation script. To do this, open your web browser and add /wp-admin/install.php to the end of your site's URL. From here, just follow the prompts to configure your website, and you'll be back up and running in a matter of minutes. Another way to reset your WordPress content and settings is by using a plugin. This is the easiest way to reset your site. For this tutorial, we'll be using a free plugin called WP Reset. This plugin simplifies the process of resetting a website's database to its default installation values. It allows you to delete all customizations and content, or just specific parts, without modifying any files. To install this plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and select Add Plugin. Search for WP Reset, then click Install Now and activate. After installing the plugin, go to the Tools section and select WP Reset. Scroll down and go to Site Reset. From here, toggle the option you want to reset, then type the word Reset into the confirmation box and click the Reset Site button. When you click that button, the plugin will delete all content from your WordPress database, including your posts, pages, custom post types, comments, media attachments, users, and custom database tables that share the same prefix as your installation. By default, WP Reset does not change or delete any files. Your media uploads will no longer show up in the WordPress media library, but the files will remain in your /wp-content/uploads folder. Likewise, your themes and plugins will remain installed, but your site will revert to the default theme, and all plugins will be deactivated. After resetting, the user account that initiated the reset will be restored with the same username and password. Your site title, WordPress address, site language, and search engine visibility settings will also be restored. And that's it. Whether you're starting a new website or just cleaning up a test site, resetting WordPress helps you wipe everything clean. It gives you a fresh start, just like a brand new site ready for whatever you want to build next. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.